Yesterday I typed this one, but see this part, it's little dark stuff, right? I'm using this one, Klein Triumph, nice typewriter. So this paperweight does not roll, so that's why it's like scratchy or fraction. So that means like this mark, I guess, it make this mark. So I wanna replace this one. I think it's a little bit easy. Unscrew this part, both parts, and then take off, and then break this part, and then replace another hose. Okay, let's see. I took this one. This is a little bit well made in. See? It's a hole in order to hold the screw. It's flat end of the, so both sides. So we don't need to fully unscrew this. Keep the screw here. So next time just insert and then tight. Okay. So now. We need to unbreak this part under the trash bag, then like this. If you want to clean hands, you can use the glove, but that's not my style. See, it's easily can get easily broken. Okay. Outside the diameter, the size, I guess it does not crucial. So just nicely take off, and then any size you can put the new one hose. I got a couple hose, and then I check the size, try put. If it does not works, I go to the hardware store with this one. And there is a lot of different size of the hose, very cheap. For this one, just like for feet, like less than $1. So yeah, like this, almost like this. Okay, so I'm not sure the outside is a little bit bigger. So is there any way to this? So a little bit tough. Why? It's like yeah, there is a ring outside. See, like this. So that means maybe it's take out or not. No, I don't think so. Yes, no. There is a small, like spring something. So don't lose inside one, because it's hold the inside one, and then it's turn the outside one. little bit hard, this one. Let's see. This size for the Corona 3 folding typewriter, and then this one for the Underwood 4 bank, 3 bank paper feed roller size, and then Triumph, client Triumph, the paper veil. Yeah, so I want to use this one. So for foot it's 99 cents. So I want to cut just 1 foot. This one, size like this one. I already replace. Now it's a rolling well, right? This side. Actually, inside there is a small spring like this one, but I think this one inside like this one, but I took this one from the here because it's a spring like this bented, so a little bit less rolling. So after remove that, it's easy to move, but except that it's okay. But still okay, yeah, no problem. Nicely hold. And then I guess no more the skid mark. After change this paper bag, I retyping. So yesterday one there is a skid mark like this, right? Both sides. See? But today one it's perfect, nothing. Right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, for this one, I use this one. 1 feet, it's 99 cents. So I can make a lot. I got a lot of different sizes, right? Some for the under the standard 3. This one for the Corona folding typewriter. And then I got another one for the under the what is it called? It's a 3 bank, 4 bank. Where is that one? I couldn't find. Anyway, so go with the inside one to the hardware store. Then we can see the all different like this. This one from the advanced auto parts. Inside another one. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching.